Assume a to be a positive integer, that is a natural number, which is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. Let x and y be non-negative integers, so they are whole numbers, such that this equation is satisfied. What is the largest possible value of a which is less than 100? So let us square this. X minus root of x plus a is equal to a minus 2y root a plus y square. So if I rearrange this, I get x minus a minus y square is equal to, so we'll take two cases here. X plus a is not a perfect square and x plus a is a perfect square. If it is not a perfect square, these two irrational terms should be equal to each other, because a is not a perfect square, these are irrational, the remaining part are rational. So equating the rational parts, I get x is equal to a plus y square. Equating the irrational parts, I get root of x plus a is equal to 2y root a. Simplify this, square x plus a is equal to 4y square a. Now from here x is a plus a square, so this will become 2a plus y square, or y square is equal to 2a by 4a minus 1. You can clearly see that this is approximately 1:2, so this is less than 1, which is not possible because a cannot be 0. So we have the second case, x plus a is equal to perfect square. So let us call this perfect square some a square. So what will we get? Here we have x minus k is equal to a minus 2y root a plus y square. Here this is the only irrational part, so it has to become 0 because everything else is rational. So y is equal to 0. If I substitute y is equal to 0, I get x minus k is equal to a, or x minus a is equal to k. Square on both sides, x square minus 2ax plus a square is k square. K square is x plus a. I can write this as a quadratic in x. What is the discriminant here? B square minus 4ac. 4a square gets cancelled and I get 8a plus 1. Here the root is an integer. X is an integer. So the discriminant should be a perfect square again. So I'll call this sum m square. What is the largest value of 8a plus 1? 8a plus 1 here will be maximum of 801, less than 801. And this is an odd number. So what is the largest odd perfect square less than 801? That will be 27 square, which is 729. So a will be 728 by 8 or 91. So the largest value of a is 91.